Hey!
My leg!
This is a 2020 M2 competition. Sunset orange, dual clutch. Race it or replace it?
Race it all day.
Race it or replace it?
Race.
Race it?
Replace it.
Why?
DCT.
So, it's fast.
You need 3 pedals.
That's 400 horsepower.
No.
You don't like horsepower?
Not when it's got a DCT.
Why? This is an Escalade.
Great white buffalo.
The great what?
This is America's luxury vehicle. It's a 23 Escalade. It's over $100,000. There's a 600 badge on the back for no reason.
Dude, that's the problem.
It's gorgeous, look.
Towing capacity.
No idea, but it's huge. It'll tow
What
anything.
engine does it have?
It's got a V8.
Which one?
Not the good one.
The 6.2?
It does.
It's got a...
Why are you replacing it?
It's too expensive and it's a GM product.
Modern GM product.
You popped it, why?
BMW.
What? GMW?
It's not a BMW.
Why'd you replace it?
6.2.
6'2" what?
6.2 kaboom.
Is that how tall you are?
No, I'm not quite that tall.
That's pretty dope. Just a hair over $31,000 and then some. This is Dave's S54 swap ZHP. This is not a typical 330. This guy is the cumulative sum of many months of hard work and planning here at Atlas, but it is a Imola red on Alcantara 4-door with an S54 swap. It doesn't just stop there though. We put everything that we know and love into this S54. The modification list is pretty extensive. It has a sleeper focus to it. On the outside, Imola red paint, absolutely gorgeous condition. You have 4 square wheel setups, so 4 rear ZHP wheels on newer Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The total build is somewhere in the high 30s. Underneath the hood, sounds so good. We have our S54 along with a CSL airbox. So the S54 on this guy came out of a E46 M3 donor with just a hair over 100,000 miles, I believe right around 106. Brought it in-house, and then we tackled a myriad of items on the S54, along with tackling the big 3 on the car. So the subframe has been reinforced. On the rear and the trunk, there's a Rogue Engineering chassis brace, weld-in subframe reinforcement kit, Vanos, fully rebuilt Vanos unit with Bizon system components, hub, bolts, chain guides, seals, anti-rat, everything. ACL rod bearings with ARP bolts. The S54, before we put it in the car, front crank seal, rear crank seal, water pump, thermostat, pulleys all replaced, new engine mounts, new transmission mounts, throttle position sensors replaced, valve cover gasket, valve adjustment, starter, spark plugs, injectors, M3 fuel pump was installed, M3 fuel pressure regulator installed, fuel filter replaced, all new cooling hoses and expansion tank, all new power steering hoses, clutch replaced, the ZF 6-speed from the ZHP is used, M3 clusters swapped over, thanks Castle Performance, all new shifter bushings, new ZHP shift knob, windshield cowl and moldings replaced, modifications, Rogue Engineering CSF radiator and oil cooler, Turner Matte CSL style airbox running on an Alpha N tune. We have a Rogue Engineering Icon muffler, OEM Euro headers, OEM Euro cats, projector upgrade, Bluetooth adapter, Kobe wrap steering wheel, and then wheels and tires like I covered. That scratches the surface on everything. Insane car, insane build, coming soon. I am sad to see it go, but I'm happy to see who it goes to. Has just over 150,000 miles. The car was previously owned in Maryland by a yacht broker for the last almost 9 years. And the service records that we have on the car, pre-S54 swap in our ownership, is stout. I'm excited to see this goes to. This is kind of a bittersweet day. I know Dave is sad to see this one go, but who knows? Maybe there's some more fun projects coming in the future. This is our ZHP with the S54 swap. When it's ready in the next couple weeks, it should be listed for mid-30s, around 35,000. such a good combo. I take this over an F80 M3 any day. This has soul.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do it, but my man John's been washing his hands for like 20 minutes right now. You know, he had to kick out a stink bug, but
Yeah, you got me.
let's just say it's still stinking. My boy, what it smell like, John?
Stink finger.
Anyways, we got a question today. We're gonna ask Sean here. Is it true that you can change your engine oil on your BMW every 10,000 miles and it be okay?
Well, it's your car. You can do whatever you want. But if you want to take care of it, prevent failures, and keep your car in the best condition you can, do not change your car at the recommended interval. You need to be doing it every 6,000 miles.
Max.
What was that? What was that?
Max. Max 6,000.
I thought it was 15.